40 million years ago, warm seas covered lands now desert. In these waters, Basilosaurus, the so-called king lizard, ruled. But Basilosaurus wasn't a reptile. It was a mammal, an early whale and top predator of its time. Its fossils, found in Egypt and the US, reveal a lost world and a dramatic evolutionary journey. Basilosaurus's story is a window into whale evolution, mammals returning to the sea and becoming giants. Join us as we uncover the real story behind this ancient giant. So, what was Basilosaurus? Not a lizard, but an ancient whale, one of the first giants to conquer the sea. Living in the late Eocene, it thrived in the warm, shallow Tethys Sea, now deserts in Egypt and the southern US. Unlike modern whales, Basilosaurus had a long, snake-like body and still bore traces of its land-dwelling ancestors. It was fully aquatic, unable to survive on land, surfacing only to breathe. Its fossils, especially in Wadi al-Hitan, Egypt, offer a direct glimpse into its world. The discovery that Basilosaurus was a mammal, not a reptile, was a turning point in paleontology. Despite the misnomer, the name Basilosaurus stuck, a permanent reminder of its surprising identity. This early whale bridges the gap between land mammals and the ocean's modern giants. Its story is evolution in action. Basilosaurus was a giant, up to 18 meters long as a city bus. Its body was long and slender, more like a sea serpent than today's whales. Its skull, over a meter long, was packed with sharp, varied teeth, perfect for catching and slicing prey. Unlike modern whales, Basilosaurus had differentiated teeth, a legacy from its land ancestors. Most astonishing were its tiny hind legs, useless for walking or swimming, but clear evidence of its evolutionary past. These vestigial limbs link Basilosaurus to four-legged land mammals. It swam with an undulating, snake-like motion, not the powerful tail strokes of modern whales. Likely an ambush predator, it lurked in sunlit waters, striking with deadly precision. Its massive tail propelled it with slow, hypnotic grace. Basilosaurus was not built for speed, but for power and surprise. Its unique body tells the story of a creature caught between two worlds. Evolution left its mark on every bone. As the Tethys Sea's top predator, Basilosaurus hunted with brute force and cunning. Fossilized stomach contents and bite-marked bones reveal its diet other marine mammals, especially smaller whales like Dorudon. It was a whale that ate whales, a true apex predator. Basilosaurus ambushed its prey, delivering fatal bites with its powerful jaws. Its teeth left unmistakable marks on the skulls of its victims. This predator didn't just scavenge, it hunted with calculated efficiency. Beyond whales, it devoured large fish and sharks, feasting on the sea's bounty. As a keystone species, Basilosaurus shaped its ecosystem, maintaining balance in the ancient marine world. Its reign was both terrifying and essential. The king lizard was a force of nature. Despite its size, Basilosaurus had a surprisingly small brain, unlike today's intelligent whales. It likely lived a solitary, instinct-driven life, focused on hunting and survival. Its tiny hind legs, though useless for movement, may have served a new purpose, helping males grasp females during mating. Evolution repurposed these ancient limbs for life in the water. Basilosaurus swam with a dramatic eel-like motion, powerful but not built for speed or deep dives. It was perfectly adapted to shallow coastal seas, not the open ocean. The name Basilosaurus is a relic of scientific error, a mammal forever called a lizard king. Each fossil reminds us that science is a journey of discovery and correction. The real story is stranger and more fascinating than the myth. Basilosaurus is a testament to evolution's surprises. Basilosaurus is a crucial link in whale evolution, a snapshot of mammals' return to the sea. Its tiny hind legs are the smoking gun, proof that whales evolved from four-legged land animals. Over millions of years, these limbs shrank as whales adapted to aquatic life. Basilosaurus captures this transition perfectly, a fully aquatic mammal yet still bearing the marks of its terrestrial past. Before fossils like this, whale evolution was just a theory. Now it's undeniable. Basilosaurus fills a vital gap, showing step by step how land mammals became ocean giants. Its body blends old and new air breathing, streamlined but with differentiated teeth and vestigial legs. It wasn't yet a modern whale, but something in between, a magnificent evolutionary experiment. Studying Basilosaurus reveals evolution's winding path, not a straight line. It stands as one of nature's most spectacular successes. The discovery of Basilosaurus began in the 1830s, when its massive bones were found in the American South, sometimes used as fireplace andirons. Anatomist Richard Harlan named it Basilosaurus, believing it a giant reptile. The most stunning finds, though, come from Egypt's Wadi al-Hitan, Valley of the Whales. This fossil graveyard preserves hundreds of ancient whales, including complete Basilosaurus skeletons. Here, scientists study not just the bones, but the entire ecosystem: prey, predators, even last meals. Wadi al-Hitan offers a vivid window into a lost world, with Basilosaurus as its ruler. Each new fossil adds detail to the story, deepening our understanding of life's history. Unearthing Basilosaurus is a triumph of science and imagination. Basilosaurus teaches us that life is always changing, evolving in unexpected ways. Its fossils, found in today's deserts, remind us of shifting continents and ancient seas. Studying Basilosaurus helps us reconstruct vanished worlds and understand our planet's deep history. As an apex predator, it played a vital role in its ecosystem, just as sharks and orcas do today. Its extinction marked the end of an era, opening the door for new life to evolve. Basilosaurus inspires awe, a real-life sea monster stranger than any myth. Its story connects us to a distant alien world, yet one that shaped our own. The king lizard's legacy is a powerful chapter in the epic history of life on Earth.